In today's demo, I will show you a few tricks in drawing and rendering with the pen and ink Cephalotus follicularis. I will use Clairefontaine Aqua Pet paper, sanguine pencil, oil base from Faber, a kneaded eraser for Faber for fading the pencil lines, Hero Nib, and Colorex ink, Turtle Dove Grey. Let's draw two ovals for the operculum, the lid. And you can show one of two instances of this lid. One more open, so let's draw an oval for the whole structure. So you can show one more open, and then the pattern on the underside is more visible. Something like that. And you have this pattern visible on the underside. That's one. Or a little more close, and then you can show better the upper part. And this is more visible, the upper part with its pattern. Here let's choose a middle option between the two. So we have this oval here. And let's make it in the middle. Then the peristome, which is basically constructed as a donut shape or a ring. So here I see, and then like this. And in geometry, this figure, because if you see it in volume, it's a figure, a geometrical figure called torus. Torus. And a torus is a surface generated by the rotation of a circle in three-dimensional space around an axis in its plane. And visualizing this geometrical shape is very useful in understanding the structure of the peristome rings and how they are placed in space, and also a very good exercise in seeing and drawing. So without entering into many mathematical details, I'm going to try to draw one with you. So let's draw a small circle. And choose a point on this circle on the right and draw the axis of the rotation, which is a circle seen from above, but as we see it from perspective, I'm going to draw an oval. And we have to rotate this small circle around this oval in space. We choose a point on the left, this, and we have to draw a bigger oval at equal distances from the middle oval. Then we choose a point on the upper part of the small circle, and then again drawing an oval. This is a visible part of the structure, and then again here is the visible part on this side, on that side, and then this side. And we are drawing the revolving circles, and you will see that as they move like this, these ones are bigger and that one are smaller. You can use the circular movement and accentuate only the part that is visible. Light drawing of the circle and stronger on the part that is visible. I see here too. And we can also use a different color just to show this. What is visible. So this is the torus. And this is the base of the ring on the peristome. Then we draw middle line for the pitcher's body, for the length of the pitcher's body. Its size, it's about 1.5 the size of the upper part. This upper part that includes the lid and the peristome. So it's a rather small pitcher, not as elongated as the nepenthes. Then the ascidium, shaped like an egg or an irregular hexagon if we draw using straight lines. I can make them a bit rounder. Then the 4 ridges. So we have like that, and then the one in the back smaller, and here again, and also the middle ridge. I see it from above. It is so interesting how this plant has developed a structure of the pitcher intended in the smallest detail to capture insects. The 4 ridges are distanced from the smooth surface of the pitcher, so that is at a level that allows the insect to reach the surface of the peristome. So these are distant set from the surface, and they are provided with bristles so that the insects can easily climb and overcome the peristome barrier. The peristome has rings provided with teeth on the inside so that the insect, once inside, cannot get out. So let's draw this, and that be the base. This we'll see it from the front. This too. Here too. And from that one, we can start to see the teeth, because we start to see it from the lateral. Let's see, something like that. As we can see it on this model, we start to see only part of them. And again here. They are smaller as they reach the base of the lid. The outer surface of the lid has a pattern provided with windows. So there is a maroon pattern, and between that they are quite transparent, and they seem like a window, appear to the insect as free places where it can exit. Now let's draw this form of the lid. And this pattern, brown pattern. The inner pattern of the lid, it has that kidney shape and represent glands that secrete digestive fluid. Very likely they are activated by the insects trying to get out of the picture. It's something like that. So everything, elements, texture, forms and colors are designed with the aim of taking the insects inside the ascidium and preventing them from getting out.